My dear students of class 5, you all are welcome to my class. I am Tarana Akhtar, assistant teacher, Pallavi Majidul Islam Model High School. Dear students, look at the picture and think about the title of the story. From this picture, you think which lesson will be read today. Okay? Today, I will discuss about Unit 24, Lesson 2 and 3, and the title of this lesson is Cyclone Aila. Do you know what is cyclone? The word cyclone means it's a natural calamity. In Bangla, it is called Ghurnizhor. Okay? Cyclone Aila was very devastating. It took place on May 25, 2009 in our country. It was very terrible. It took away many lives and people suffered a lot for this cyclone. They became unsheltered. Okay? Let us see some pictures related to this Cyclone Aila. Okay. You see the pictures and think how devastating it was for people, how they suffered. Now let us know the word meaning from this text. First one, afraid, feeling fear or frightened. Then island, a land surrounded by water. Remember, to recollect from the mind. Run, to walk very quickly. Cry, to weep with sound. Now, I will read out the text. You will read after me. Look, listen, and read. Cyclone Aila. Babul and his family live on the island on Dublarchar. Life is good for the family now, but that wasn't true after Cyclone Aila. Babul doesn't remember Cyclone Aila, but his parents often talk about that terrible night in 2009. Babul's father had a grocery shop and his mother worked in a fish farm. They had a small house that they shared with Babul's grandparents. Babul was just a baby, but his sister Nipa was 6 years old. Babul's father told him what happened that day. There was light rain in the morning on 25 May. In the afternoon, the wind started to blow and people began to run for their homes. Babul's father closed his shop and his mother came home. His grandparents checked the family's emergency kit. Their torch was working and they had extra batteries. They put the torch, batteries, and first aid kit in plastic box. By the evening, the river was rising. The winds of Cyclone Aila shook the walls of the house as if there was an earthquake. Everyone was afraid. Nipa began to cry. Suddenly there was an awful noise and the family's roof blew away. The sky was dark, but the family could see trees flying over their heads. Grandmother still says she saw fish flying through the sky. You see the picture, how the roof is blowing away. Now let us do some exercise from this text. At first, true or false. Read the following statements, write true or false for correct statement or false for incorrect statement. The first one, A. Babul's sister is Nipa. B. Nipa was 7 years old. C. Babul's parents checked the emergency kit. D. Nipa is older than Babul. E. Babu's mother closed her shop. F. Babu's family lives on island. Dear students, now you see what will be the answer. Answer number A will be true, B false, C false, D true, E false and F true. Then matching. Match the words of column A with their meaning that is mentioned in the text in column B. You see the words and you see the meanings of the words given in column B. Then you match the words with their meaning. You see the words emergency, remember, earthquake, island, terrible, and the meanings are violent shaking of earth's surface, dreadful, sudden state of danger, place of land surrounded by water, keep in the memory, more of something, having great taste. Dear students, now you check the answer. You check your answer with my answer. A plus 3, B plus 5, C plus 1, D plus 4 and D plus 2. You have to write the full answer in your answer script. Now fill in the gaps. Fill in the gaps with the best word from the box. You see in the box there are words, some words. You have to fill in the blanks using these words. You see the first one, Dublar Chor is an dash. B. Babu's family had a dash house. C. Babu's family had dash members. D. The sky was dash on that evening. E. Babu's dash had a shop. You see the clues 7, father, island, grandfather, 6, dark, small and big. Now you see what will be the answer. Answer number A will be island, B small, C 6, D dark and E father. Now answering questions. You see the questions, read the questions and try to answer the questions. First question, where do Babul and his family live? Then question number 2, what did Babul's grandparents put in the plastic box? Question number 3, what did Babul's mother do? 4. Who is Nipa? 5. What shook the walls of Babul's house? For answering questions, you have to read the text carefully and you have to be careful using verb in the sentences. Dear students, now you see how you will write the answer of these questions. Question number 1 will be like this. Babul and his family live on the island of Dublar Chor. Answer number 2 will be like this. His grandparents put the torch, batteries and first aid kit in the plastic box. Answer number 3 will be Babu's mother worked on a fish farm. And 4 will be Nipa is Babul's elder sister. And answer number 5 will be the winds of cyclone Ayla shook the walls of Babul's house. Now take your homework. Rearrange the words to make meaningful sentence. You see there are 5 rearranges here. You have to arrange the words to make meaningful sentences. So dear students, that is all about my today's class. In my next class, I will also discuss about this lesson because there are 6 lessons about Cyclone Ayla. Today I have discussed about 2 lessons. In my next class, I will discuss about other lessons. Okay. Till then, Allah Hafiz. Thank you all for joining me.